So this is a map of high income households using US Census tracts. This is data from NHGIS from 2017 to 2021. The little black dots there are our class locations. So at the beginning of the semester, we were asked to fill out our hometowns, and this was the distribution of that assignment. So you can see most of us are from Georgia, myself included. There are a few outliers. There's one there in Texas, there's a couple up north, and there's one on the West Coast. And something that I thought was interesting about this distribution was not only the amount of people from Georgia, but when you look at where in Georgia most of these people are located, it's really the northern, hang on, this is really crowded. It's mainly the northern sort of, I guess, suburb of Atlanta. Sort of outlines it. There are a few people there south, in South Georgia, and maybe one up there in like Northwest. But yeah, for the most part, this little cluster is where most people tend to be from, myself included. I'm from Canton. A lot of the friends that I've made at Georgia are also from this area as well, so they're not even in this class, but I just think that's kind of interesting. And as far as the histogram goes, I chose to do the Plotly data plugin histogram because it was interactive, and if you look at the dots carefully, and I'll zoom in a little bit more, you can see that when I start to click on different bars, different dots are highlighted, so it shows an even more in-depth view of specific incomes. As far as the distribution of these median incomes, I don't really see anything that's like too crazy. It seems pretty uniform. I don't really know what I was expecting, to be honest with you, but I mean, it seems about right. Most of the info that we're getting is from that little cluster, so that was just what I noticed. I think the most interesting thing out of all of this was just where most people are from.